Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So the Moto Edge Plus is perhaps the most interesting offering from Motorola. It's rumored to feature a glass and metal chassis, thin bezels, an in-display fingerprint sensor, rear triple cameras and a curved display. But most important of all, Motorola will be returning to the flagship phone game. It's been quite a long time since we have seen a flagship phone from Motorola. So do watch the whole video to know more about the device. Starting off with the design of Moto Edge Plus, it will feature a waterfall display with curved left and right edges, although the curved edges are slightly less dramatic than those on the Vivo or Huawei phones. There is a punch hole cutout on the screen for a selfie camera which you can find in a lot of smartphones. The phone appears to be nearly bezel-less too. One another noticeable design feature is the Batwing Motorola logo on the back with LED lighting. This might be for notifications. Another thing you'll be happy to hear is the presence of 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, it's said to retain the audio jack in the premium smartphone. Display-wise, we can expect a 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus 2340x1080 pixels waterfall display. It will also have a 90Hz refresh rate and an in-display fingerprint scanner. If you have used 120Hz display phone, then it's hard to go back to 90Hz, but at least Motorola is going in the right direction. The camera is where you will find massive upgrades. A post from Twitter leaker TechDroider claims that the main camera on the Moto Edge Plus's rear camera array will be a 108MP sensor. It will be accompanied by 16MP and 8MP shooters, presumably an ultra-wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. The selfie camera is thought to be a 25MP shooter, although its punch hole should be smaller than the ones seen on Motorola's previous phones like the Moto One Vision, but not as small as seen in these renders. The addition of a 108MP main camera will see the Edge Plus competing with the likes of Xiaomi Mi 10 or Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let's hope these leaks turns out to be true. I really want Motorola to bring 108MP lens on their smartphones. Powering the phone will be Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 platform with support for 5G networks. Verizon revealed it achieved multi-gigabit speeds on Motorola's upcoming flagship and confirmed the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset with the Snapdragon X55 5G modem. It will be supported by a maximum of 12GB RAM. For battery, you can expect a 5170 mAh cell with fast charging. Now coming to the software side of things, XDA said Edge Plus will run Android 10 and could launch with several new apps including Moto Edge Assistant, Moto Game Time and Moto Audio. As for release date, presumably Motorola will unveil the Edge Plus at any time within the next couple of weeks, perhaps with an online-only event. It's expected to launch in the US on Verizon before a global release. So that's all we know right now. For more information, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Peace out.